In a trapezium is defined by two sides will be parallel and other two sides we know that okay, these two sides are not parallel. Okay, that is the definition of a trapezium. Here one condition is given that okay, in case if these two sides are equal, can we prove that this is a cyclic? That means a circle can be drawn uh, covering all the 4 points, so that is called the cyclic. So that to prove that to be cyclic has a for uh, any cyclic quartz has a property for any kind of cyclic quartz has a property. These two opposite angles are 180 degree. So these one property we can utilize. uh, okay, so to utilize this property, let us so that means if in case okay, if we can prove that okay, this angle and this angle sum is 180, so then we can say that okay, this trapezium is a cyclic. So to proceed that, so what extra drawing is required in a geometry? You know that sometimes for proving, you need to do some extra drawing. So this is one perpendicular. Say, okay, let us first give name A, B, C, and D. In my okay, in this version, I'll give a very fast explanation how we are proving it. So here this is one more perpendicular, so say D, say like this is M and N. Okay, these two perpendicular is drawn, so DM is perpendicular to AB as well as CN is also perpendicular to AB. Okay, so these two drawings are done. Now to proceed, then now what we'll do that okay, we'll take triangle uh, triangle uh, DAM and triangle CBN. Okay, in these two triangle, if you observe carefully, okay, now these two sides AD equal to BC, that is given. Okay, now we'll put the second condition. See, this perpendicular as okay, so what will write? I'll write first DM equal to Cn. How? If these two lines are parallel, because uh, AB parallel CD. If AB parallel CD, so the distance between two parallel line is always same. So that is the reason that DM equal to Cn. Okay, now also as it is a right angle, so this angle and this angle is a right angle. Okay, so angle DMA equal to angle CNB, both are 90 degree. So with this, what happens is now these two triangles, these two triangles, triangle TAM and this triangle became now congruent. Okay, triangle CBN, these two triangles are congruent. Once these two triangles are congruent, so what we can prove that these two angles, these two angles, these two angles are equal. Okay, so I'll push it here, yeah, and okay. So here what we'll do here, DAM equal to CBN. Okay, so once these two angles are equal, so same way you can prove these two angles are also equal. Okay, so now you see that if this angle is X, this is X, and this is y, and this is y. Okay, so now if you write it, what we'll get? uh, x plus x plus y plus y is equals 360 degree. So that means from here you can infer x plus y is 180 degree. So that means this x plus this y is 180 degree. Okay, so that means this the trapezium is a cyclic, because in a cyclic quartz opposite angles are sum is 180 degree. This is the way to prove. Okay, to prove these two angles equal, so from the CPCT of these two triangle, this is a smaller angle, these angle, these and these angles are equal. Okay, so with this you are adding, okay, this is one more 90 degree. If we add with both these equal angles, so then this total angle is, total angle can be shown as a equal. Okay, so with this, so it is proven that, okay, these two angles are also equal. That means if you take these as x, this is as x, this is y, so that this is y. So this all sum x plus y is 180, means this and this become, sum is become 180, and hence it is proven that this the trapezium will be a cyclic one. So I'll repeat one more time. So this is the trapezium, these two sides are equal, so we have drawn a perpendicular from D to DM is a perpendicular, CN is a perpendicular on AB. So now you take these two triangle DAM and CBN, and between these two triangles we found three condition. One is this given side, two sides are equal, is perpendicular, this is the distance between two parallel lines, so these DM and CN are equal at the same. Okay, one more is that as it's a perpendicular, this angle is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So that means, so these two triangle became congruent. Once it is a congruent, from the CPCT rule, these angle and these angles are equal, angle A and B. Okay, and also these angle and these angles are also equal because from CPCT rule. Now if we add 90 degree both side here and here, so that means this total angle become equal. Okay, so now you give a name, this, if this is x, this is equal, so this is also x. If this is a y, so this angle is also y. So now if you sum up all these to x plus y plus y, so that become the 360. So x plus y become 180, that is this x and y is 180. So for cyclic quartz opposite angles are 180. So as we have proven that from this trapezium, that these two sums, x and this opposite angle y is sum is 180, so hence this trapezium will be a cyclic one.